Don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds you plant. Robert Louis Stevenson. The simplest dating method might be the one most people ignore. It's not about trying harder to get someone to like you. It's about focusing on the actions you take each day. Take Jana. She's dating a man she really likes. It's casual, but there's a catch. He's also seeing someone else. She's frustrated. She wants the relationship to grow, but it feels like the other woman is holding things back, keeping him from fully choosing her. So, what should she do? Option A. She obsesses over whether he's getting more serious. She journals about it, talks about it with friends. If he doesn't text for a few days, she reaches out, asking what's wrong. When they're together, she brings up the future, tries to steer the conversation toward commitment. She throws subtle shade at the other woman, acting like Frank is crazy for still being interested in her. Option B. She wakes up and thinks of one small thing she can do today to bring more joy or meaning into Frank's life. Then she hits the gym for 15 minutes of interval training. She messages one new person from her dating profile, not because she's looking to move on, but because she wants to stay connected to her options. She checks off her daily goals. She draws a bath and relaxes. She remembers Frank mentioned how much he enjoys hiking and starts planning a possible outdoor trip for the weekend. Option A focuses on the harvest, trying to force results. Option B focuses on planting seeds, small, meaningful actions that compound over time. If you've been feeling stuck in your dating life, maybe it's time to stop waiting and start planting. Because when you focus on what you can control, something surprising happens. If this video gave you a fresh perspective, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It may seem small, but it makes a huge difference. Also, you can find the link in the description, which references my full article on this topic.